I see the swollen battery. If the battery is swollen, don't panic. Don't worry. This kind of swollen battery can be repaired. You just need to replace the battery cell, and that will solve the swelling problem. This battery was sent to me by a fan for repair. The fan said that the battery is swollen, and they dare not use it. Because they are afraid that the swollen battery might pop the card slot open during use. I will immediately arrange it for my friend now. Let's enjoy it together.